Is your Dyson SV47 making a weird noise? We are Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise often happens when the motor is struggling due to blockages or wear. A simple motor replacement usually fixes it, restoring your Dyson to its quiet, efficient self. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.